Do you possess the knowledge and tools to make strategic decisions about your family's future?
Decisions that will not only impact your life, but the lives of your children and grandchildren.
I'm Tony.
I'm Brady.
And I'm Ryan.
Our Rochester team has years of experience working and living in southeastern Minnesota, and we have focused on empowering families to take control of their financial lives.
The distinctive process employed by EFS Advisors is designed around education. By taking the time to inform our clients of the pros and cons surrounding the many financial decisions they face, we seek to help them understand why the decisions are important and how they will impact their lives.
Our team strives to build investment strategies that will harmonize your pension and Social Security plans and personal retirement goals with the purpose of achieving a comfortable lifestyle.
Since its inception in 1989, EFS Advisors has worked to provide an educated decision-making process to over 30,000 individuals and families so they can lead the lives they want to live and enjoy the futures they have earned.
We act as a fiduciary, meaning we are guided by the principles of honesty and integrity as we pursue your best interest at all times.
We are not here to sell you products. We are here to help you live your lives and secure your future.
Whether you are just now learning about your personal or family finances,
or you are seeking to complement your expansive investment knowledge with a new perspective,
we know our Rochester team can help you take control of your financial future. Contact us today to learn more.